Ladies and gentlemen, grab yourself a hot cup of coffee because we're going to get into what is the difference and which one, in my opinion, is better. The Ekster 18 karat gold plated wallet, minimalistic wallet, or the 18 karat gold plated wallet, minimalistic wallet by Ridge. They are both on the pricier price point. And before we get into the video, in the description box right below the video, top link will be the link where you guys can read more about these products and pick them up yourself. Top link in the description box below. Let's begin. We'll start with the Ridge here. You get a different box than your typical Ridge. 18 karat gold, you get a little pamphlet, little card, little sticker, microfiber cloth, a little tool to switch out your band so you could have a money clip on there, some extra screws, and kind of like a cash strap here with your money clip. Okay, getting that out of the way here, we have black screws, a Ridge logo right here, which is kind of hard to see on camera. It's very subtle, but it is 18 karat gold plated on the back and the front. You already have a cash strap right here where you can slip in your cash, etc. Again, you have the other one that you can have the money clip if you want, but you will have to, because the elastic band is embedded in there, you're going to have to unscrew that and put the other one in. Doable, but not as easy to switch out. Now, Ridge does not have an automatic button. It is literally just a little slot right here where you push up on your cards and it expands. The Ridge can handle more cards than the Ekster. I will give it that, but it's very simple, as in it just expands like this and you have to push it up. Okay, so this is what the Ridge looks like, loaded with 7 cards. And one is my very thick steel Crypto.com card. And I have a wad of cash here in the back, as you can see right here. So again, the cash strap, I don't think many people would hold this much, but let's see, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. So we got 7 bills total. I probably wouldn't carry this around unless I was like at some place, farmer's market, where they only take cash, which most of the times they take card now anyway with the mobile payments. Anyway, so as you can see there, I just kind of brought up that strap, tucked it under. And for the cards, this is what I don't like about Ridge. I think they should do some sort of new technology, but easiest way that I find is you got to like kind of hold it, push up with your thumb, and then your cards come out. For the purpose of this video, I just have my Costco card on the top, and then all my different cards here, which I won't show on camera, obviously. There's my other shopper card there. And then let me show you how to put it back in. Now, you can only put it in one way, which is this way, and then it just slips back in, and then again. So it's just your thumb. Your thumb is what does it. You can do it this way. You can do it this way. And on the very bottom is a little elastic band so your cards don't fall through, meaning they stop at the elastic band when you put them back in. And that's pretty much the Ridge. Now, let's take a look at the Ekster here. You have the cash strap right on top. You can also have an extra storage space right here. This is your RFID plate. This has RFID blocking technology already embedded in it. The Ekster, you do have to have the additional expansion plate. So you can put cards or cash underneath this. You could put cash on the top, and then you have your push manual button here. Now, this is an upgraded steel button for the Ekster, and again, 18 karat gold plated. They both are, which means it's not fully gold, it's just plated gold for both. So let's show you this one loaded up here. So again, that is an upgraded button from their other models, a steel button, reinforced. We're looking really good right there. When I flip up, look at that, beautifully evenly spaced right there. Let me show you the subtle Ekster logo here on this side here, as well with the band. And I'll remove that backing plate in just a second here. But as you can see, here's my Costco card. You also can put your cash underneath if you don't want it visible. And then right now I have 6 cards in here, including my thick steel Crypto.com card. And then just for purpose of this video, not to show my cards on camera. And then I grab the card on the back. Now, your most used one, I'm not going to show my license on camera, but let me go ahead and replace this one with this one. I put my license in the back because I don't want it showing on camera. So as you can see here, you just flip it out and pay. Now, your most used card, you want to go ahead and use on the top or on the back, meaning that I can pull it very quickly from the top or the back, as we can see right here. Very quick and convenient. Pushes in, pushes out, flip it back in there, pop it back in, and you are good to go. Again, more cards on the back if needs be, but to be honest with you, when I take mine out, I rarely have this many cards in my wallet. I'm just showing you for the purposes of this video. Mostly it's license, shopper card, Costco card, my Epic Pass for Colorado Mountains for snowboarding. Here's that same amount of cash I showed you on the Ridge with the Ekster. Now let me show you what I've done in the past. So let's say you don't want all this. What's nice about the Ekster, you can remove the band, you can remove the RFID plate, you could have just this. Let's say if you're going out or going to a wedding, going snowboarding, then you just put your license, your insurance card, your season pass in here. Or the next option, and this is the easiest thing to do, is I just bring it up and then kind of third fold your cash like that. And then you could have your cash in your band as you're going to wherever you're going for the minimalistic look. Overall, the key features of this, I just think the technology on the Ekster is a lot better. Personally, with that flip up button, and it just distributes the cards beautifully, as we can see, to pull out. Now, let's say you have a card in here you need. Easiest thing to do, you could either go like this, or you just pull them all out, fan them out, and then hand the one you want to the cashier. Let's say it's a gift card, and then put it back in just like that. So overall, they're both really sharp, but in my personal opinion, I like the technology of the Ekster better than having to manually go like that, slip my cards back in, and manually do this. I think just this is super sweet. So that's my opinion. If you're going to spend the money, I would spend it on the Ekster. And once again, in the description box right below the video, top link will be the link where you guys can check out the Ekster wallet and look at their other products as well. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, as well as tech videos, DIY videos, van life builds, and more. Once again, your links are right below the video. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.